Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate funnel chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. In Tableau, the variables are divided into two zones. This is a zone of dimensions, and this is a zone of measure. Dimensions are categorical variables, and measures are continuous variable. Let me pick up segment from here and drop it into the rows. Now I'll pick up sales from here, which is a measure, and drop it into the this ABC part, and I'll get the figures. Now I'll activate the bar chart from here, that is a stacked bar chart from here. The next thing is we want the profit to be dropped in the size. You can see this, the size represents the profit and the color represents the segment. From here you can see that also. Now activate the entire view. Your funnel chart is ready. Now I want that the profits are displayed in this funnel chart. So I'll pick up the profit from here and drop it into the label. Moreover, I can pick up the segment also from here and drop it into the label, and it will give me the segments also. Now say for example, if I want another dimension to be included, I'll pick up the category from here and drop it into the columns. So my funnel will get divided into three different funnels. So this is for furniture, office supplies, and technology. Let me drop it back. I can also draw the funnel according to the shipping mode. So I'll pick up the shipping mode and drop it into the columns. So what is my profit and sales in consumer if the shipping mode is standard class? So the size represents the profit, color represents the segment. If I want more detailing, then I'll pick up the quantity from here and drop it into the detail. So when I'll hover the mouse, it will give me the quantity also. So this is a way you can develop the funnel chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Don't forget to press the like button.